What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason. Today we're going to replace the rear brakes on the Surplus Suburban. Stay tuned. So if you watched the previous video on this project, I showed how to replace the pads and rotors in a disc brake system. The rear of the Suburban is also a disc brake system. It works exactly the way. I'll put the link to the previous video right up here. That shows the step-by-step of how to do this. For the rear, I'm just gonna get this done, and then we're gonna wrap up some other little things on the truck while I have time. Here we go. Okay, moving right along. We got our rear brakes replaced. We got the rear differential topped off with the oil. The next thing I'm gonna do, I've got my trailer plug here. This is how they had it just kind of bolted to the back of the bumper when I bought it. What we're gonna do, I tested it and some of the wiring is working and some of it isn't. I can see there's probably a big splicey mess right in here. So what I'm gonna do is get a new plug flush mounted right here into the bumper, just like on newer trucks. This is usually where you find the trailer hitch connector. So I'm gonna get this new plug mounted flat into the bumper, and then I'm gonna get the wiring all sorted out and tidied up so I can hook it up and I don't have any issues in the future. All right, everybody, that's it for today's work on the Surplus Suburban. We've got our trailer plug installed. I really like that placement. Looks like it came from the factory that way. We replaced our rear brake pads and rotors. We checked the rear differential fluid and topped that off. That's all I had to do on my list of making sure this truck's ready for the road. So now we just have to wait until the paperwork gets here and I can get this thing registered and insured. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next video you see is probably going to be the unveiling of our next project. I'm super excited for this one. It's going to be something that I haven't done before, so I'm pumped to go through the learning and share the process with you. But I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you can follow along on every step of the new project coming into the garage here. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.